Hello, I'm Noel, and today we're tackling one of the most debated project management tool comparisons, ClickUp versus Jira. If you're torn between these two powerful platforms, this deep dive will help you make the right choice for your team in 2025. Let's start with the fundamental difference in philosophies. ClickUp is the ambitious all-in-one platform. It wants to replace every tool in your workflow with a single flexible solution. It's comprehensive, customizable, and designed for any team. Jira takes a completely different approach. It's laser-focused on what it does best: project management and issue tracking for software development. Originally built for technical teams, it's specialized, powerful, and deeply integrated with agile methodologies. Understanding the target audience explains everything about these tools. ClickUp casts a wide net: marketing teams, HR departments, operations, sales teams. It's built for cross-functional organizations that need one tool to manage tasks, documents, and communication. Jira has a specific focus: software development and IT teams. It's designed for teams following agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, with advanced bug tracking and developer-centric features. This audience difference shapes every design decision. Both platforms use per-user pricing, but with key differences. ClickUp offers a genuinely generous, free-forever plan with unlimited users, perfect for small teams testing the waters. Jira's free plan is limited to 10 users, which reflects its enterprise focus. As you scale up, ClickUp remains affordably priced for diverse teams, while Jira's pricing increases significantly when you add other Atlassian products like Confluence. The ecosystem approach can get expensive quickly. ClickUp's pricing structure is straightforward and generous. The free forever plan genuinely includes unlimited users and tasks, though storage is limited to 100 malatrori. At $7 per user monthly, the unlimited plan gives you everything most teams need: unlimited storage, integrations, dashboards, and Gantt charts. The business plan at $12 adds advanced automation and workload management. What's impressive is how much functionality you get at these price points compared to enterprise alternatives. Jira's pricing reflects its enterprise heritage. The free plan supports up to 10 users with unlimited projects and full agile functionality, great for small dev teams. Standard at $8.60 per user offers more automation and storage. Premium at $17 provides unlimited storage and advanced roadmaps. Here's the key insight: while Jira's per-user cost is higher, it's built to scale with large software teams, and pricing decreases as you add more users. The enterprise features justify the cost for serious development teams. This slide captures the philosophical divide perfectly. ClickUp's all-in-one approach includes task management, collaborative documents, real-time chat, whiteboards, and mind maps. It's built to replace multiple tools. Jira focuses on core strengths: issue tracking, agile workflows, customizable processes, bug tracking, and powerful APIs. Every feature is tailored for software development. ClickUp wins for general project management versatility, but Jira is undeniably superior for technical teams with specialized needs. Both tools have steep learning curves, but for different reasons. ClickUp overwhelms with options. The sheer number of features, views, and customization possibilities can be daunting initially. However, its modern interface is more intuitive once you get oriented. Jira has a notoriously complex setup process. Its powerful features and technical terminology intimidate non-technical users. The difference? ClickUp's complexity comes from choice. Jira's comes from depth. ClickUp definitely wins for user-friendliness. Here's where ClickUp truly shines. With 15 different view options compared to Jira's 5, ClickUp offers significantly more flexibility in how teams can visualize their work. You get everything from traditional lists and Gantt charts to mind maps and whiteboards. Jira's views are powerful but focused: Kanban boards, Scrum boards, and timeline views for road mapping. They're designed for agile workflows specifically. ClickUp wins for visualization diversity, but Jira's views are purpose-built for development teams. Both platforms offer powerful automation, but with different approaches. ClickUp's automation builder is designed for any team member to use without technical expertise. Drag and drop functionality with a user-friendly interface. Jira's workflow automation engine is highly sophisticated, allowing complex, rule-based automation deeply integrated into development lifecycles. For example, automatically assigning bugs based on code ownership. Jira wins for advanced enterprise-level automation, especially in software development contexts. This is where the philosophical difference becomes crystal clear. ClickUp has built-in everything: team chat, collaborative documents, comments on every task, real-time editing. Everything happens within one platform. Jira relies on its ecosystem. You integrate with Confluence for documentation and Slack for communication. While Jira integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian products, communication gets spread across multiple tools. ClickUp wins decisively for centralized real-time collaboration. ClickUp offers native docs that link directly to tasks, simple, built-in, and collaborative. It's perfect for teams wanting everything in one place. The Jira plus Confluence combination is more powerful for large-scale documentation needs. Confluence is a dedicated knowledge management platform that works hand-in-hand with Jira for extensive project documentation and wikis. ClickUp wins for simplicity and integration, but Jira plus Confluence wins for enterprise-scale documentation requirements. The reporting approaches reflect each tool's focus. ClickUp provides customizable dashboards, various widgets, workload tracking, and flexible analytics that adapt to diverse team needs. Time tracking and team productivity metrics work across all departments. Jira specializes in agile reports, sprint velocity, burn-down charts, development metrics, and advanced filtering. Jira provides advanced reporting capabilities that are specifically designed for software development teams. Jira wins for specialized development reporting. Let's get practical. A 15-person marketing team managing content calendars and social campaigns needs intuitive, non-technical tools. ClickUp's calendar view handles content planning perfectly, Kanban boards manage campaigns, and docs create creative briefs. The user-friendly interface means immediate productivity. Jira's development-focused interface and terminology would confuse marketers. The steep learning curve and lack of built-in content management features make it unsuitable. ClickUp is clearly the better choice here. Now consider a 20-person engineering team running agile sprints and tracking bugs. ClickUp can be customized for agile workflows and offers Git integration, but lacks the specialized depth software teams need. Limited out-of-the-box agile reporting is a significant drawback. Jira is purpose-built for this scenario. Native backlog management, advanced sprint planning, powerful bug tracking, and deep integrations with development tools. For dedicated software development, Jira is the clear winner. This balanced view shows the trade-offs clearly. ClickUp's strengths, high customization, all-in-one features, user-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and built-in collaboration come with potential overwhelm and occasional performance issues. ClickUp is more modern and offers a wider range of features. Jira's strengths, unmatched software development features, powerful agile tools, sophisticated automation come with complexity, steep learning curves, and higher ecosystem costs. ClickUp excels for cross-functional teams needing a single, flexible platform across diverse departments. ClickUp is a level above when it comes to collaboration capabilities, advanced project management features, and user-friendliness. Organizations that prioritize ease of use and team collaboration will appreciate the intuitive interface and built-in communication tools. Teams wanting extensive customization for non-technical workflows can tailor solutions without requiring technical expertise. Jira is built for software development and IT teams embracing agile methodologies. 75% of Fortune 500 companies run on Jira, reflecting its enterprise credibility. Organizations requiring robust bug tracking and issue management benefit from complex workflows for triaging and resolving issues. Jira shines in issue tracking and agile project management, making it ideal for software development teams. Technical teams willing to invest in setup and training unlock Jira's specialized capabilities. This diagram perfectly captures the decision framework. You're choosing between a general-purpose, user-friendly platform that covers all teams versus a specialized, powerful tool designed for specific technical use cases. ClickUp is the project management powerhouse with integrated custom tools for any workflow. Jira is the specialist with an agile software focus. The choice isn't about which is objectively better, it's about which aligns with your team's specific needs and technical requirements. The recommendation is elegantly simple. Choose ClickUp if your team needs flexible, all-in-one project management across multiple departments with intuitive collaboration tools. Choose Jira if your team needs specialized, powerful tools specifically for agile software development with advanced bug tracking and development integrations. Both are powerful, but ClickUp provides more versatility, whereas Jira excels in software development. Consider running a pilot with both tools. That hands-on experience will make your decision crystal clear.